All right. Good morning. Good morning. So today, BuzzFeed is still going up. BZFD. It started going up yesterday on some really sporadic news. So it's gonna be starting off the morning kind of hot. We'll see where BuzzFeed wants to go. I could not really validate what the float was on BuzzFeed. Some places were just not showing, and then some places were like, oh, 29 million or whatnot. So I'll see what kind of moves it wants to do on today. It did move from $1.50 all the way up to 280, which is quite a push. The SPY is still kicking up as well. Let's go ahead and take let's see what's the top movers on today. Tesla, Bed Bath and Beyond. Tesla, I called this the other day. I was like, I think Tesla's about to get over that 160, and it's up to 162. Um, Tesla's getting a lot of meme stock type movement, moved from down here at the 129s, and over a couple of days, a nice little $40 jump on Tesla. Good morning, Donnell and Lori Lee. Donnell says watching a cheap one, QNCK. QNCK. Did I spell that wrong? QNCK. I am seeing that right. Oh, QNCX. Okay. Up 78%. Does that go? Let's see. QNCX. Okay, so it's got a little bit of catalyst behind it. Quincy Therapeutics completes sale of legacy protease inhibitor portfolio. Expect to benefit from reduction of more than 500,000 of annualized expenses associated with operational and Finkel support of protease inhibitor assets. Okay, so we got that one up there. BuzzFeed. I really want to keep an eye on Tesla to see if it'll slow down in volume at all. So I'll add that up there. And Intel is also up. TCB. Okay, so pretty much the low floats aren't receiving a whole lot of volume. I see TCBP, but it's only got 1 million shares traded. I don't know what it'll be able to do behind everything else. Let's go ahead and jump over here. Street Smart Edge. Good morning, VPG. So we're looking at a couple. BuzzFeed was ripping yesterday. Just started ripping around, what was this, 12:30 my time, 11:30 Eastern. So it'll be 10:30 my time, just absolutely eating it. Then Donnell called out QNCX, which just got up to $1.70 on the resistance, up 76%. Tesla. And we'll see how the SPY holds that 400 level. Now that it's kind of holding over. Took it all week kind of playing around with it, but now it's 403. And we'll see if it continues to hold. Let's check out oil as well. Oil up to $82. coming up to this previous resistance level, looking like it's testing to break. I don't know if it's gonna break or not here. What is this top? $83, and it just continues to tap this top. And the NQ doing the same thing. Is the SPY doing the same thing, tapping the top? Pretty much all of them are in cahoots, looks like, just tapping around the previous tested level of like the 415 410 level. But we'll see about that. BuzzFeed. Let me see if any more news came out on BuzzFeed. BuzzFeed extends gains in pre-market. Okay. After shares more than doubled in the previous session following supports of a Meta deal or a Facebook deal, but I guess they changed the name to Meta. YGen DX Holdings shares are trading lower. That's a different company. Okay, so we'll see if the hype continues on BuzzFeed. But the news from the other day, let's see, this is the 25th deal between Meta and BuzzFeed reached last year, is valued to close to 10 million. 10 million is not a lot for a Facebook deal. Meta pays BuzzFeed millions to generate their creator content. Meta Platforms pays, okay, that's the same thing. So they say Meta splurges on BuzzFeed, but 10 million for a Facebook, that's okay numbers. But I don't know. I don't know if that's something to be like, oh, because Facebook makes so much money, 10 million is like a donation. QNCX going on down. MLGO was one that was moving yesterday as well. Came back and tested up here at the 304s. Kind of just going flat. Only up 2% on today. But I'm expecting a Freaky Friday on today. BuzzFeed has been up here twice though, and failed to get over the $3. Let's see some resistance. So yeah, been up here twice. The bottom down here is what, 196. So I mean, really, it can be back under 250 very quickly, and hit it back under twos. Only up 31%. We'll see if it can gap fill down here. The gap is at the 225-ish level. It starts at like 233, 225-ish level. We'll see what it does down there. But it seems to have a higher float. Definitely has higher outstanding shares. Says 29.69, 125 million out there. This one says float of 68.98 million. So that's a big jump from 29 up to 68. And that was like that yesterday, so I know this thing has had time to update. Where else can we look? I don't know if it'll be on here. Where are those IPOs? Are there any crazy IPOs opening up today? Today is the 27th. So BFRG, LEGP, BREA, and TXO are all supposed to be IPOing today. Let's look at Bullfrog. This is a therapeutic company. This is the primary driver of the high cost of developing new therapeutics. What do they do though? Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Uh, so it's like they're heavy into AI. They got different parts of what they do. It looks like. Let's see. Where's number one? One, discovery phase, analyze and categorize discovery phase data. Preclinical data. Okay, that's a lot. But we do have 4 IPOs coming out today. It looks like the prices are supposed to be $6.50, $5.25, $5, and this one's a little bit more expensive at $20 for Morningstar Partners. We're focused on the acquisition, development, optimization, and exploitation of conventional oil and natural gas liquid reserves in North America. Okay, so it's gonna be oil and all that. So BFRG. ELGP. BREA. And I guess I'll watch TXO. And since they're oil and natural gas, I'll see how they come out. TXO. All right. So we got a couple to watch. BuzzFeed still chopping around right under the $3. QNCX doing exactly what I expect something under $2 to be doing, acting crazy. I already got this nice headwind. 14 million shares traded. Got about 15 minutes to the bell. Let me go ahead and review. So look over here. All right, so now this is questions. I kind of shortened the list because I wanted to, a lot of the stuff that I had on this list, it was just I want the list to be concise where I can just look at it and be like, okay, this is what I need to be. Oh, okay. Give me 1 second. It's one of my clients hitting me up. Hmm. Anyway, yeah, going over my analysis questions. First thing is it a low float? If not, I'm just gonna leave it alone. How many shares are outstanding? Based on the float and the outstanding shares, you can kind of see, and depending on who is holding the most outstanding shares, you can see who is going to have control, whether it's the institution or the insiders. Is it a top volume mover? Does it have a catalyst? If yes, it'll give me a little bit more confidence. If no, I probably end up sizing down and or no trade. Is the retracement worth the risk? Pre-trade variables. What is the competition on the day? Has the competition doubled or tripled the ticker that I'm interested in? Like if I'm interested in one and then I see another ticker capsizing it in volume, I'm gonna be like, okay, this is not looking great. Are the shorts strongly winning during the intraday, and is their momentum showing signs of weakness? Are there any large areas of interest on the level 2? And then the post-trade questions. Boundaries and notes to consider. Please follow the rules is my number one boundary or note to consider. Prices under $2 or $2 and up give the best results for my strategy. I'm always considering those outstanding shares and the floats. Never trade a stock with low very relative volume, but it has a big range. The spreads and the liquidity make it hard to enter and exit positions. If there's too much commotion in the market, if there's 3 or 5 that are having the same ranges, just see which one is going to decide to be the one. Don't get caught up in the hurricane. Um, um, if a stock is indecisive where it begins to fall but then snaps back, or it begins to rip then falls, let the stock choose a direction and all of that. So I did shorten the list a little bit. Still the same, pretty much the same, but just less reading. Anyway, yeah, I am getting calls from my client. All right. All right, so let's get in here. Fridays, man. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So let's get over here and see what's going on with them. Aren't both of them supposed to be on? Why are we not seeing that? Ah, all right. BuzzFeed coming on down off of those highs. QNCX doing the same. Okay. So yeah, at this point, I know I'm probably not interested in QNCX just because of its price. Going back towards the sub dollars, I'm just okay with that. I'm okay with it just letting that one roll on. BuzzFeed though, we'll see if people want to. What kind of range does this thing have? It's only 20-cent drop right there. Um, Let me go to AD. So I need to get into watching to see if $7 breaks. It might. It got up here to a high of 720. Okay. DC. So which server is this one? Duh. What are you talking, bro? Come on. All right, so we got network. Okay. So something on our DC is tripping. Mm, the time we got 5 minutes to the open. Boy, boy, boy! I tell you what, time be moving out here in these streets. Let's see if I can get this. Michael Bill. Okay, let's flip over to back to our regular site. And I need to see if I can get to which one was it? I cannot remember. Let me see if I can ping. Mm-hmm. So let's go to so the server. On DC1. Wait a minute, am I saying that right? DC. No, no, no. DC1. Well, we'll see if this client continues to have these issues. I'm probably gonna have to jump on down, but we're gonna see what the market wants to do. I keep streaming here, but it doesn't matter either way it goes. Today's gonna be a green day. Let me look back over here at the scans. BuzzFeed, Intel, still the same, pretty much the same scans. Nothing new has really popped up here. TCBP still leading the potential trading list. BuzzFeed. And then TCBP is giving up a little bit of its gains. Okay, got another message. Give me a second. At Okay, so the market just opened. Let me switch over here. BuzzFeed was the top mover. Behind it is QNCX. We are okay. All right, so let's see. TCB going a little bit red on the day. But with only 1 million shares traded, I would kind of wait to see how BuzzFeed and some of these with higher volume play out. DC1 is offline. So we got it offline. We need to go. All right, so let me see if I can get into DC1. Boy, I tell you what, BuzzFeed getting a little tap up. BuzzFeed needs to fail. All of these all BuzzFeed and QNCX need to just go on down to the bottom of the ocean where they belong. Hit a high up here right under the $3 on BuzzFeed, but with a $10 million, like Facebook or Meta gave them $10 million. It's like that's like an advertisement fee for Facebook. It's like you're not partnered or anything. You're not. It's not that good, you know. The different things Facebook was dropping them like 50 million, 100 million. Then it's like, okay, something's going on here. Let me flip over here to let me see if I can VPG says I'm not trading this. VPG also called out AUVI. My bad, I did not see that. Go. TCBP is heading up to the $7. And then the other one was AUVI. AUVI under $2, got 16 million shares traded. A lot of these crazy low ones are moving right now. And I don't think I want to be watching IPOs today. I had these IPOs in here, but with all this volume, who cares about IPOs, right? BuzzFeed getting up there trying to check in with the $3 again. And where is my... So I need to get into... Is this the one? That's not the one. This is the one. So let's try to get into BuzzFeed snapping down there. QNCX. I mean, look at the top though. I mean, it's no way it's gonna make a higher. No way. It's gonna start getting snappy. AUVI. Come on, man. Open the computer. Let's see if we can get to. AUVI dying. Nice short. Looks like 17 million in the shares traded. TCBP down as well. And this is what I'm saying, man. You just got to be careful on days like this. TCB is just not in the competition. It's got to get some more trading. It does have a bigger, larger range that it looks like it can go, but the volume is just not there. Bro, log in. What are you doing? There we go. So it is just down. Okay, so can't connect like that. QNCX continue to give a little bit of a push, pushing back up here to what, the 142s. That previous pre-market little area of resistance. Okay, it's not working. Let's try the next one. Okay, so I cannot. I might have to get out of here and go and freaking do some work here in a minute. Go get this network back functioning. Let's see. Let's see. Wonder did they have any power outages? Okay. And also I need to see if I can ping. Let's see, ping network. I think it was it 192? $105. Oh, it's not getting any data transferred. Okay, so what about the other one? BuzzFeed coming back up to indecisive candle. Nine two dot 168 dot 105. Oh. Dot 11. Nothing. Okay. That doesn't make any sense. If I can't get into either one, let's see, maybe. So we got DC, and I know this one's up. So what is the IP for that one? What is your IP, bud? That is not what I'm looking for. Give me all of it. Okay. Ethernet. I see that it has the gateway there. 186. 86.1. No way. That's the gateway. What is yours? Okay, 193. 86, 193. So why is it showing me a 105? Why is it showing me a 105 instead of 80s? I think I'm gonna have to go up there. All right. Did they lose, bro? Did they lose power? At So it does look to be powered off. It's giving me a different IP on there. Okay, so let's get them to check that. We need power to have a network, man. Okay, so what are we looking at over here? We got BuzzFeed still playing around. Let me check the scans. It is on the bottom. Actually, wait a minute. Let me just go and look at the pictures that I have here. Since I got pictures, make a whole lot of sense to use them. Where, oh, where are all those pictures? There we go. Okay, so it would be, so I put those on, okay, so let me go to, back to that and say, need to copy that picture. Copy link. I don't want to link to this though. I want to copy the actual. Can I circle this? If I download this and then can I just do a circle on it to make it clear what I want her to look at? I can, and I will. So let me go and get this into clip. Whoa, this is Intel. AUVI looking like that killer. I want to open that. Might open in pictures. Is this in the stack? There are two servers. The two units on the bottom should be powered on. They are the servers. Okay. AUVI still trying to go up and challenge the $2. BuzzFeed looking to be slowing down. Intel going on up there. INQC. All right, now let's jump back over to the scans real quick. So on the scans, we see Facebook or Meta is coming up with the other one, BuzzFeed. So I'm wondering, will BuzzFeed be like a sentimental as Meta comes up? Will they continue to trade BuzzFeed up to Meta? Looks like it's going up to the 150s. 150s there. But no low floats out here on the scans anymore, it looks like, except for, yeah, even BuzzFeed is a higher, got a lot of shares outstanding. It has a low float, but a lot of shares outstanding. So if insiders want to start dumping, they can definitely take a lot of profit off the table. Yes. God, I need to circle that thing, man. I knew it was gonna confuse her. BuzzFeed coming back up there towards the $3. I need something like paint. That's what I need. Yeah, paint. Yeah. Let me draw this out for her. Okay, so first I want to open. Did I download that? Yes. Now where are you? There we go. Oh my gosh, that's big. Okay. So I want to So these two servers right here, and can I thicken up that line? They're right. Now save this. Save as whatever. Okay, and now let me go back over here to her and circled the two should be on. Let's go there. Is this the one? And it should show. Yes. Okay. Perfect. It's not on. BuzzFeed throwing a wick up there through the $3, coming back down. I think I was gonna do a longer stream today, but since the clients are hitting me up, I'm gonna go ahead and stream about 6 more minutes. I'm gonna have to get on down to get to this issue. But yeah, BuzzFeed definitely taking souls today. Tesla, QNCX, because I just do not have time. TCB all the way back down to $6. Big moves down on TCB, gave all of its gains back down, or only up 6% now, taking that one off. Jump over here to the scans real quick. So that one's off. BuzzFeed, Intel. Yeah, so low floats are definitely looking really dead today. Nothing even above 10% out here in the low floats that is above $2. Intel blasting up. A lot of the tech stocks blasting up here today. But yeah, that is not good on some of these. AUVI, of course, they got the little, the little pump up here. Tried to get up to $2 with a nice little fail on AUVI of 55%. BuzzFeed going towards $3 again. Continue to hold. Well, it keeps snapping down. I was about to say continue to hold up, but yeah, that range is looking a little bit choppy. Okay, yeah, I keep getting messages. I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. I don't see anything that I'm personally interested in. QNCX is just you know, I usually don't touch those anyway. And BuzzFeed would be the number one on the day. But anyway, if you guys are gonna continue trading, be careful. I'll be back on Monday mornings. You know, sometimes it just gets busy in the mornings. I just didn't know Friday would be the busy morning, right? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get over here and take care of my client. And you guys have a great weekend. I may jump back into the Discord, but we'll just have to see. I will leave the Discord link here. Because I am getting messages like crazy. Okay. Never. Appreciate you guys for dropping through. Um, Hopefully you guys had a good week, whether it was a green, no trade, or if you just learned a lot of lessons this week. Hopefully you had a great week. But I am about to tune out. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.